Today, Kwara State is in a precarious state, a state being overrun by bandits, kidnappers, and killers who have waged a ceaseless, needless, and careless onslaught on our people. In the last 12 months, over 70 people reported killed in Kwara North and Kwara South, with 50 people sustained injuries, 42 people kidnapped. Under the present government in Kwara State, if we are not careful, we will become a one-town state where everybody is moving from the north and to the south to converge in order to escape from this serious situation. But as responsible politicians and political platforms, we will not keep quiet. We will stand and speak the truth.
This mantle is a collective responsibility, and together we will rebuild